to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix service error code 1058. This service cannot be started. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, first of all you need to open run command by pressing Windows plus R. Run command will be opened. Here you need to type edit. Press enter. Guys, in this you need to double click on HK local machine. You can see here system. Just double click on this. Guys, you can see here current control set. Double click on this. Double click on services. You need to scroll a little bit. Guys, you can see here WA user. You have to click on this. After that you will find here start option. You have to double click on this. Here if your value is 0, then it will type as 2. After typing 2, press OK. Then close this window. You need to open Windows setting. Click on start menu. Then type here setting. Click on setting. Here you need to find troubleshooter. Click on troubleshoot setting. Guys, you can see here other troubleshooter option. Just click on this. As you can see here Windows update. You have to click on run Windows update. After running the Windows update, you have to wait for some time. After completion of this process, once you have to restart your laptop or PC. After restarting your laptop or PC, hope your problem will be fixed. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix the service error code 1058. The service cannot be started. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.